Okay.
Beautiful.
When I first started doing blacksmithing, my interest was more from an artistic perspective. I was just interested in learning the techniques and less so about the history of it. But working here, I've become more interested in the historical aspects of it, and also come to see how learning an old-fashioned trade fits into my background as a scientist, because I've been teaching metallurgy and similar things to my students from a historical perspective, and now I'm getting a hands-on feel for that side of things. A couple years ago, I was working as a computer programmer and looking for something different to do with my free time, so I started taking weekend blacksmithing classes at Brookfield Craft Center in Connecticut, and also going to blacksmithing conferences both in New York State and in the Northwest where I live now. So that's how I became interested, and I've just been looking for opportunities to practice, and this has been a great opportunity.